Hello students, welcome to accounts classes. Dear students, till now we have discussed business entity concept and money measurement concept, and today I will discuss the next point. Now dear students, today we have accounting period concept. Life of the business is divided into time interval known as accounting periods, at the end of which income statements, that is profit and loss account, and position statement, that is balance sheet, is prepared. 12 months period is generally adopted for this purpose. According to the amended income tax law, a business has compulsorily to adopt financial year commencing on 1st April and ends on 31st March in the next calendar year as its accounting period. For example, this time we are passing through 2021, तो इसकी क्या होगी बेटा 1st April 2021 से लेके 31st March 2022. Apart from this, companies whose shares are listed with the stock exchange are required to publish quarterly results, यानी 3-3 महीने पे आपको रिजल्ट्स पब्लिश करनी पड़ेगी और टू डिपिक्ट द प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी एंड फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन एट द एंड ऑफ द 3 months पीरियड, यानी साल में 4 बारी आपको क्वार्टरली रिपोर्ट पब्लिश करनी पड़ेगी इफ यू आर ए कंपनी, और अगर उस कंपनी का शेयर स्टॉक एक्सचेंज पे लिस्टेड है. नेक्स्ट कन्वेंशन इज बेटा फुल डिस्क्लोजर प्रिंसिपल. This convention requires that all significant information relating to the economic affairs of the enterprise should be completely disclosed. That means, in other words, there should be a sufficient disclosure of information which is of material interest to the users of the financial statement. इसका मतलब ये है बेटा, each and everything should be disclosed to the users of the financial statement. The principle is so important that the Companies Act makes ample provision for the disclosure of essential information in the financial statements of a company. Various items or facts which do not find place in accounting statements are shown in the balance sheet by way of footnotes, such as contingent liabilities. Contingent liabilities being a future loss and is important information must be disclosed. If there is a change in the method of valuation of stock, or for providing depreciation, or in making provision for doubtful debts, it should be disclosed in the balance sheet by way of footnotes. Third, market value of investments should be given by way of a footnote. तो बेटा each and everything should be disclosed to the users of the accounting information. अब बेटा अगर कंपनी को लगता है कि ये चीजें मुझे डिस्क्लोज नहीं करना चाहिए, बट अगर यूजर्स को कोई नुकसान हो जाता है तो दैट इंफॉर्मेशन वाज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द मटेरियल. हेंस each and everything it should be disclosed to the users of accounting information, जिसको हम कहते हैं क्रेडिटर्स, डेटर्स, स्टेक होल्डर्स, इंटरनल यूजर, एक्सटर्नल यूजर. तो each and everything should be truly disclosed to it. अब बेटा एक सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है कन्वेंशन ऑफ मेटेरियलिटी. मेटेरियलिटी का मतलब होता है इंपॉर्टेंट. This convention is an exception to the concept of full disclosure. According to this convention, items having an insignificant effect or being irrelevant to the users need not be disclosed. Now one question arises: which information is relevant, which information is irrelevant? It is a debatable issue. American Accounting Association defines the term materiality as under: an item should be regarded as material if there is a reason to believe that knowledge of it would influence decision of informed investor. It should be noted that what is material for one concern may be immaterial for another. For instance, the cost of small tools may be material for a small repair shop, but the same figure may be immaterial for the Scots Limited. तो बेटा ये एग्जाम्पल आपको क्लियर कर दिया गया कि what is materiality. Similarly, the nature of transaction should also be taken into consideration. Thus, the accountant should judge the importance of each transaction to determine its materiality. Now, dear students, if there is a reason to believe that an item may be considered a material if it is going to affect the users but not the company. अगर कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन यूजर्स को अफेक्ट करता है, इट इज ए मटेरियल एंड इट शुड बी recorded. So, dear students, today you will write down the short notes on accounting period concept, full disclosure principle, convention of materiality. Thank you.